If you've browsed gardening forums, you've seen cinnamon touted as a miracle cure, especially for stopping the fuzzy white mold called damping off that kills seedlings overnight. The advice is simple: sprinkle cinnamon on the soil, and its natural antifungal properties will protect your plants. It's everywhere online and the appeal is obvious, organic, safe, and straight from your kitchen. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which does have antifungal effects, but does it actually work in real gardens, or is it just another myth? I decided to test it myself. I set up a controlled experiment, one group with cinnamon, one untreated, and one with a proven fungicide. This way, we could see if cinnamon really stacks up. No more guessing, just real results. Let's move beyond hearsay and see if cinnamon deserves its legendary status. Is it a gardener's secret weapon, or just wishful thinking? Time to find out. Let's get started. I prepared 3 identical seed trays with sterile mix and sowed lettuce seeds at the same depth. All trays got the same light, heat, and water. The first tray, the cinnamon group, got a light dusting of ground cinnamon after watering. The second tray was left untreated as our control. The third tray received a standard garden-safe fungicide. This setup let us compare cinnamon to both doing nothing and using a proven product. All trays were side by side, labeled, and treated identically except for the treatment. I watched for fungal growth, seedling health, and root development. The experiment was ready. Would cinnamon live up to the hype? Let's see what happened. For the first 2 days, all trays looked the same as seeds sprouted. By day 3, fungus appeared in the untreated tray, white fuzz on the soil. The cinnamon and fungicide trays stayed clear. At first, cinnamon seemed as effective as the fungicide, but by day 5, the untreated tray was overrun with fungus and dying seedlings. The fungicide group thrived, healthy, green, and upright. The cinnamon group was different, no fungus, but the seedlings were smaller and yellowing. On day 7, I checked the roots. Fungicide-treated seedlings had strong white roots. Untreated ones were weak and brown. Cinnamon group roots were stunted, short, thin, barely developed. Cinnamon stopped the fungus, but also stunted growth. The result: more survivors than untreated, but weak, stressed plants. Cinnamon acted as a growth inhibitor. It prevented disease but at a serious cost. So, what's the verdict? Cinnamon does prevent fungus, but it also stunts seedling growth, making it a poor preventative. For healthy seedlings, stick to proven fungicides, or better yet, good gardening practices, sterile soil, airflow, and careful watering. Prevention is best. Is cinnamon ever useful? Maybe, as a spot treatment for small patches of fungus or when rooting cuttings to protect wounds. Its antifungal properties are real, but broad use harms young plants. The lesson: don't believe every gardening hack online. Test things on a small scale before going all in. What works for one gardener might not work for you. Stay curious, experiment, and learn from your own results. That's how you grow as a gardener. Bust myths, not your seedlings. Keep growing smarter.